For the last 25 years, I've been working in social care. I've probably done most things from personal care to project management to writing policies and procedures. So, what has this got to do with this channel? I went into higher education in my late 30s, and when I did so, I wanted to use my experiences of my previous work in my academic work. I was particularly interested in people with learning disabilities who were Chinese, and I couldn't find any literature around this subject, so I became more determined to try and find this literature, and then I became more determined to try and find out how to find out. So I studied research and how to do research. I became passionate about research, and that's how I then went on to do my research topics and research projects. My name is Dr. Martin Partridge. I am Module and Department Lead for Social Care Research, and I help encourage people to engage in research. I strongly believe that research has a benefit for both current and future employment. In this channel, I'm going to provide a series of videos on research for both beginners and for people who are a little bit more advanced on research topics. I'm also going to provide videos on research that I have been involved with and also research groups I've been involved with. So finally, please watch my videos, read the literature. I will provide a list of books and other literature that you can look at. Please leave a comment, but please subscribe. Thank you.